real nigga reparations. Or I run up in your bank just for recreation. Dedication, hard work, plus patience. To some more of my sacrifice, I'm done waiting. Told you that I wasn't playing. Now you hear what I've been saying.
What is up, guys? It is Yanni. Welcome back to my channel. I haven't made a video in probably a week or two. That's because I have been really busy. But today is an extra exciting day. My son has a photo shoot for his 6 months, and my boyfriend has a graduation shoot. So we are getting ready for that right now. And I was gonna do a makeup tutorial, but I totally forgot and thought about it mid eyelash mascara putting on thing. But honestly, I really did that because look at my damn lashes. Yes, these are my real lashes, y'all. And people usually ask me, what do I use? I use this Voluminous Superstar Red Carpet Black. It has like two sides, like this side says 1, and then this side says 2. So yeah, I usually just go ahead and yes, my shirt is filthy. It's my makeup shirt, so I ain't trifling. Oh, baby's not having it. So we're just gonna go ahead and put that all over your lashes. And this really helps to volume, like it pumps it up, like it separates them from sticking to each other. But shit, I also have phenomenal lashes, so I don't mean to toot my own horn, but look at that shit. I'm gonna just keep it like, I should just keep it like this. Honestly, I should just keep it like this. And I also have my good bottom lashes. And yes, I see that big ass, I gotta stop cursing. I see that big, like, bump or whatever it wants to be. Honestly, I tried to pop it, did the toothpaste remedy and everything. And guess what? It's still there. It's not even like a bump or a pimple at this point. It's really just like an eye now. Because it's nothing. It's like, it's literally just there. Shit. Shoot. So here we go. You see that? Let me just go ahead and pull them lashes out, girl. Or guys. Whoever. So I guess you can call this like a mini makeup tutorial, because I had already did the rest of my face. So damn. That looks like super clumpy, right? So go ahead and get the false lashes by MAC, because I think that the brush for this one is a good like eyelash separator. And the last one that I had, it has like so much black mascara on it that it like clumps all the lashes together. But this one came out pretty good. I didn't have to use the false lashes on this side. False lashes as in the mascara, not the lashes, because these is real. Bam. Okay, I gotta clean that up. Still a little wet. Alright. Okay. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna put that highlighter. If I can find it. I must have stolen my own. I can't find it. Okay. I have 3 different highlighters. But the Fenty Hustler Baby. Hustler Baby. Hustler Baby. That's my favorite one. Honestly, and my friend got this for a birthday present, and I only have the mini one, and I haven't went to go buy the real one yet. And do not ask me why I'm using this brush. Don't ask. Okay, first of all, I like to go ahead and put a little on my brow, under my brow. Now I like this one better than I like Trophy Wife, because Trophy Wife, it just has like a little bit too much glitter for me, and I like glitter, don't get me wrong, but that looking like a disco ball by the cheeks. Like, damn, girl, did you blend your highlighter? Yeah, I blended it, but shit, I must have put too much. Go ahead and put some down my non-existent nose bone, because I dead ass gotta stop cursing. Don't have one though, like, at all. Okay. Tap tap. I know y'all see that shit. I know you see it. Oh. Okay, I fixed it. I am currently starving. So, and I lost my nose ring last night. Like, it got stuck to my boyfriend's dread, and I don't know where it went. I'm kind of upset about it because that was the 3rd one that I lost. Like, now I don't have it anymore, and I gotta go buy some. Alright, for real. Maybe I should have some music playing or something, huh? Because this is like just super dry and quiet and weird. Y'all remember that show name? Girl, let's play. And you can show me what that's about. And I got the clean version for y'all. Nah, actually, it wasn't for y'all. For some weird reason, I had the clean version. Weird. Also, I like to put a little highlight on that Cupid's bow. Look like I got a little mustache right here. Shit, I might do. It don't look like it over here though, on my mirror. So. Make me look like I got that stuff that I look like I got that eczema stuff up there like Russell Simmons. Russie. Look at that. With it and play with it, I beat it up. I know I'm sinning, but before I eat it, I say my price in it. I'm gonna just use Fenty, Trophy Trophy wife. You know what? You know what? Alright, I think that's it for well, I'm sorry y'all hear that. That was my man right there, y'all. Alright, for real. So I'm honestly, am I done? I feel like alright, for I need to put my setting spray on. I use the All Nighter Urban Decay. You got 15 minutes. Alright. I go to drowning my face in there. Look on my chest with. Ooh, you better than my nigga. Awkward. No, for real, y'all better not judge me. This is my makeup shirt, so this is what I do my makeup in. Period. So it ain't like. I'll be right back. Wait, actually, this is a finished product, y'all. No, I do not have on any. First of all, I forgot to clean this off. I'll clean that up. I also forgot to put some highlighter in my tear ducts. I like to put a little there. And darling, y'all know I love Beyonce. Matter of fact, you guys should write below, if you're watching this video, any ideas about Beyonce, like a YouTube video that I should do about Beyonce, because y'all know I know everything about Beyonce. So like Beyonce trivia or moments about Beyonce. Look, I got a million of them. I love her so much. Oh, make love to me. And I only know all the concert versions and crap. Okay. You've come. Alright, for real. Can't wait to go get dressed. I'm dressed. What?
What?
Oh, man, come on.
I gotta get him.
You ain't gotta get shit. I'm about to get a bag. I didn't mean to curse. We are late for the photo shoot, y'all, as usual. Every time it's time to walk out the door, Jamal wants to do something. Jamal wants to do something crazy. Was that your middle finger? Oh.
Yeah, well, oh my bad. I didn't know to do it for your YouTube channel. My bad. That was my middle finger. Come on.
Uncle Ricky, can you read us a bedtime story, please? Please? Take him out. Take him out.
The cop grabbed his arm, he started acting erratic. He said, "Keep still, boy, no need for static." Punched him in his belly and he gave him a slap. But little did he know the little boy was strapped. The kid pulled out a gun, he said,
Why'd you hit me?
The barrel said straight for the cop's kidney. The cop got scared, the kid starts to figure,
I'll do years if I pull this trigger.
so he cold dashed and ran around the block, top radios into another.
Oh, look at that sun. And I really want you to get close to me. So won't you dance with me? Dance with me. My drop tops in the parking lot. And I wanna take you back to the spot. I was totally gonna show you guys the whole entire photo shoot, but it got so hot to the point where, listen. I'm sweating. I could not hold Jameer and record at the same time. I was like literally like the Wicked Witch dying or something like that. But I do have pictures to share with you guys, so you guys can see these pictures. And yes, these are all boomerangs. I stated earlier that I was dying of a heat stroke, and it was not a joke. Look at those sexy legs on that baby. Oh my goodness. Ma, 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 ma. Ma, 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 ma.